I said they're doing something. Will you mind?
Yeah. All right, so we just got to the laundromat.
That's one property. This is a property.
She's putting everything into the washers now, and I have my coffee.
Will you mind? Thanks.
So we just finished up with laundry. Now we're headed to Carolina Beach. Thank you, Wash House. It's probably the best one in this place. Yeah, we're gonna keep that place in business. So now we're headed to the beach right now. So stay tuned.
What happened?
It just started.
Oh, okay. She told me, the other lady that was in here, she told me it wasn't working. Evidently, she didn't have the handle closed. And so when you close it, the money was already there, so that's what that's your blessing for today.
Thank you.
That's one.
Yay! That's awesome. I'm not complaining.
Oh, you thought you had the magic touch. That's what it
I just need to go around touching all of them.